Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets and bakeware. Today, we're diving into the world of Muffin-Top pans, and I've got a real treat for you. We're taking a close look at the Cuisinart Chef's classic nonstick 6-cup Muffin-Top pan. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let me tell you why this is the best Wilton Muffin-Top pan nonstick 12 available in the market. First off, let's talk quality. This pan is crafted with heavy-gauge steel, ensuring even heat distribution and preventing any warping. That means your baked treats come out perfectly browned every time. And speaking of perfect, the non-stick interior and exterior make cleanup a breeze. No more scrubbing or soaking, just wipe it clean, and you're done. But what really sets this pan apart is its versatility. Sure, it's great for baking muffin tops, but it's also perfect for biscuits, cookies, mini pizzas, you name it. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk specs. This 6-cup Muffin-Top pan measures. It's oven-safe, dishwasher-safe, and built to last. Plus, it's backed by the renowned Cuisinart brand, so you know you're getting top-notch quality. So, whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, the Cuisinart Chef's classic nonstick Muffin-Top pan is a must-have addition to your kitchen arsenal. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever baked without it. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and kitchen insights. Until next time, happy baking!